Property جایداد. He bought a new property. هغه نوی جایداد واغست. He bought a new property. Purchase په بیه اغستل. I want to purchase a laptop. زه لپټاپ په بیه اغستل غواړم. I want to purchase a laptop. Recommend سپارښتنه. Can you recommend a good book? آیا ته د یو ښه کتاب سپارښتنه کولی شي؟ Can you recommend a good book? Select ټاکنه. Select the best option. ښه اختیار وټاکه. Select the best option. Tool اوزار. He used a tool to fix the car. هغه د موټر سمولو دپاره اوزار استعمال کړو. He used a tool to fix the car. Treat دعوت. This is my treat. دا زما دعوت دی. This is my treat. Treat علاج. The doctor treated the patient. طبیب د ناروغ علاج وکړو. The doctor treated the patient. Alive ژوندی. He is lucky to be alive. هغه بختور دی چې ژوندی دی. He is lucky to be alive. Bone هډوکی. The dog is chewing a bone. سپی لګیا دی هډوکی جوړي. The dog is chewing a bone. Bother تکلیف ورکول. Don't bother me. مال تکلیف مرا کوا. Don't bother me. Captain کپتان. The captain led his team well. کپتان خپله ډله په ښه طریقې سره سنبال کړه. The captain led his team well. Conclusion نتیجه. The story has a happy conclusion. د قصې نتیجه ښکلې ده. The story has a happy conclusion. Doubt شک. I have no doubt about his honesty. ما ته د هغه په ایماندارۍ هیڅ شک نشته. I have no doubt about his honesty. Explore دریافت کول. They love to explore new places. هغوی نوي ځایونه دریافت کول خوښوي. They love to explore new places. Foreign خارجي. He is studying in a foreign country. هغه په خارجي وطن کې پړهایي کوي. He is studying in a foreign country. Glad خوشاله. I am glad to see you. زه ستا په لیدو خوشاله یم. I am glad to see you. However خو بیا هم. He is busy. However he will help you. هغه بوخت دی. خو بیا هم هغه به ستا مرسته وکړي. He is busy. However he will help you. Injustice ناانصافي. Injustice should not be tolerated. ناانصافي ندی زغمل پکار. Injustice should not be tolerated. International نړیوال. He works for an international company. هغه د یو نړیوالې ډلې دپاره کار کوي. He works for an international company. Lawyer قانون پوخ. She wants to become a lawyer. هغه قانون پوخ جوړېدل غواړي. She wants to become a lawyer. Mention یادونه. He did not mention my name. هغه زما د نوم یادونه ونه کړه. He did not mention my name. Policy تدبیر. The company changed its policy. ټولګي خپل تدبیر بدل کړو. The company changed its policy. Social ټولنیزه. Social media is very popular. ټولنیزه رسنۍ ډیره مشهوره ده. Social media is very popular. Speech وینا. His speech was very inspiring. د هغه وینا ډیره متاثر کن وه. His speech was very inspiring. Staff عمله. The staff is very helpful. عمله ډیره کومکی ده. The staff is very helpful. Toward طرف ته. He is walking toward the park. هغه چمن طرف ته روان دی. He is walking toward the park. Wood لرګی. This table is made of wood. دا میز د لرګي نه جوړ دی. This table is made of wood. Achieve حاصلول. He worked hard to achieve success. هغه د بریالیتوب حاصلولو دپاره محنت وکړو. He worked hard to achieve success. Advice مشوره ورکول. The teacher advised me to study daily. استاد ماله د روزانه مطالعې کولو مشوره راکړه. The teacher advised me to study daily. Already د اول نه. I have already finished my work. ما د اول نه خپل کار مکمل کړی دی. I have already finished my work. Basic بنیادی. He learned the basic rules of the game. هغه د لوبې بنیادی اصول زده کړي. He learned the basic rules of the game. Bit لږ. I need a bit of sugar. زما لږ چینی پکار ده. I need a bit of sugar. Consider غور کول. Please consider my request. زما په درخواست در سره غور وکړه. Please consider my request. Destroy ویجاړول. The storm destroyed many houses. طوفان ډیر کورونه ویجاړ کړل. ویجاړ کړل یعنی وران کړل. The storm destroyed many houses. Entertain خوشالول. The clown entertained the kids. مسخرې ماشومان خوشاله کړل. The clown entertained the kids. Extra اضافي. Do you have extra paper? آیا تا سره اضافي کاغذ شته؟ Do you have extra paper? Goal موخه. My goal is to become a doctor. زما موخه طبیب جوړېدل دي. My goal is to become a doctor. Lie دروغ. He never tells a lie. هغه هیڅ کله دروغ نه وایي. He never tells a lie. meat غوښه. I like to eat meat. زما غوښه خوړل خوښ دي. I like to eat meat. Opinion نظر. What is your opinion about this? په دې اړه ستا څه نظر دی؟ What is your opinion about this? د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.